the very fact that we have to organize a program to discuss this subject and to understand this subject shows the importance, and also tells us that in spite of making progress in all walks of life, in all areas, we have somehow missed on this important aspect, very fundamental aspect, which is purpose of life. Human beings have physical existence and spiritual existence. And if you think about it carefully, the spiritual existence is actually much more powerful than the physical existence, because physical existence is related to the body and spiritual existence is related to the soul or the spirit. Now the soul is there even before, is present even before the birth, and is present even after one goes away from this world. But unfortunately, we have been ignoring our spiritual existence. We have been giving all the importance to our physical existence, which means our body, but we have been ignoring our spiritual existence. If you look at the way people are living their lives in the modern times, we realize that all our efforts are directed towards our body. And the change that has come, especially in the last 30-40 years, and especially in our country in the last 25 years, has actually forced people to just think about their physical existence. So if you look at the daily lives of the people, most of their time is devoted towards work, towards thinking about not only in action but about in thoughts also. People are busy thinking about their worldly life, how to make more progress, how to earn more money, how to have more material possessions. And when it comes to family also, you also think about your children, the whole family is, the thoughts and the actions are related to worldly growth and worldly progress. And in that process, you completely ignore your spiritual existence. And the major reason for most of the problems in the world today are because of this reason. Why? Because when you see, we have, mankind has interfered in all aspects of nature. And today, when we talk about environment, we talk about global warming, we talk about this interference. Similarly, this is also an area where mankind has interfered, and this ignorance of spiritual existence and not giving due importance to it has also caused a big gap between one's physical and spiritual existence.